What features highlight? About RetraxPRO MX Retractable Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. Before you decide to order, we will introduce the features and brief details, including the RetraxPRO MX Retractable Truck Bed Cover is part of our premium aluminum series. This tonneau cover is made with industrial-strength aluminum slats that provide unsurpassed durability and functionality. These matte powder-coated slats not only provide scratch resistance and UV protection but can also hold up to 500 pounds of evenly distributed weight. This retractable cover is so durable that we back it for life with our legendary lifetime guarantee. This retractable truck bed cover features our patented low-profile design that streamlines the overall appearance of your truck, all while maintaining a tight seal to protect your bed and its contents from unfavorable weather. Its holding canister lies flush with the cover and is completely hidden inside the bed of the truck. Furthermore, the Pro MX's compact storage container features a unique spiral track system that protects the finish of the cover from scratches resulting from daily use. The RetraxPRO MX also has a sealed ball bearing roller system that glides effortlessly along the rail with a convenient handle that eliminates the need for pull straps, snaps, or springs. The RetraxPRO MX is key lockable in any position, giving you unlimited flexibility and security for your cargo storage needs. If you hesitate or have questions, we recommend that you click the link in the YouTube details to see all the detail before actually ordering. And of course, we are affiliated with Amazon.com. You can get early reviews of products with little or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter purchasing decisions. If you think our channel is useful for you, you can subscribe and press the bell and select all to receive instant notifications for all future uploads.